Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add custom photo reminder widget on your Android device. So let's start. First long press on your home screen, then tap on widgets and find keep notes widget from here and select note list. Long press on the note list and drag it to your home screen. Now you have to select your Gmail ID and then tap on reminders. Now tap on the plus icon and select text note. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner and tap on add image. Now select image from your gallery and then tap select on top right corner. And your image is added. Now tap on the bell icon on top right corner and set a reminder. You can select any date you like, anytime, and select a frequency. And you are done. Now if you close this app, you'll see that the picture is added to your widget and your custom photo reminder widget is ready. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.